Hello guys, I am having an unboxing here from Ate Benedict Oribe. She is the owner of the Blogsesh FB, a fingerboard blog site. So check out the link below this video and like it. Okay, here we go. Blogsesh FB shirt. It has Blogsesh FB on it and a board plus hand equals question mark. So see it on Facebook. We also have a engraved deck. Actually, it's a complete setup. So it is from Seed Fingerboards, right there. If you want one, just click and visit the link below this video and order one now. We have some extra stuff right here, some fingerboard stickers and Seed Fingerboards foam tapes. Sorry, I need to cut the video because somebody called on the telephone. So here we go. Let us check the inside of this Seed Fingerboards box. We have some great stuffs here. We have Seed Fingerboards engraved deck. It says Seed Fingerboards on it. It's really cool. So this is red Seed Fingerboard bushings and Seed Fingerboards new R1 wheels. We have some Seed Fingerboards 29mm trucks and some tools and screws right there. We also have some great stickers. We have some lots of stickers here. We have another 2 foam tapes and 1 free cut foam tape. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much, Ate Benedict and Seed Fingerboards. Till next unboxing, see ya.